You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com.
Right, Emma, tell me what's going on with your jaw.
I have 3 years with jaw pain, tinnitus.
Tinnitus, okay.
And I went with different doctors.
What kind of treatment you had for your jaw? You said physical therapy, what else?
And then I have appliance.
Appliance, you tried the appliance, okay.
I tried appliance.
And you had
massage.
Okay, so how your jaw pain started? How did you hurt your jaw?
I went with my sister. We are not right. And then something is like put the brake and I move and boom.
So you had a vehicle accident and you get hit from the side, the car hit inside and your head hit the window back and forth. And that's been going on for the last
3 years.
And how much you rate your pain from 0 to 10, 6 or 7? Is that constant pain or comes and goes?
Constant pain.
Do you experience any headache?
Yeah, almost every.
So you have a constant headache. And where do you feel the headache and how much from 0 to 10?
I feel my headache here, and then I feel like inflammation here.
Swelling in that area. And the headache, the jaw pain been going on for the last 3 years. Any other symptoms in the neck and the jaw area?
Always touch my neck because
It's tight.
Yeah.
Very tight. We're gonna work on that too. Let me measure your jaw and take the range of motion. It's about 3 centimeters. You said losing around 40% of your range of motion.
Yeah,
of your
like
jaw.
40%.
It's limited. The normal is 35 to 45. You are 30. Yeah, we'll work on that. Turn your head to the right all the way. That's tight. The other side. That's tight. 2 backward. And you tell me how much pain, okay? You're very tight. And forward. The range of motion is very slow. Where did you feel the pain and how much?
When I go to the front,
How much from 0 to 10?
like 6.
So this is where you hit.
Yeah.
That's the scoot down a little bit. Okay. So I'm gonna work on this and let me know if that's too much. Okay. Yeah, you're really tight here. So let me know if you feel any pain, okay? You had physical therapy, massage therapy.
I'm going with different doctors,
Yeah.
especially
A specialist for what?
for Dr. O. Mark.
Okay, like a physical therapist or a specialist for the
TNG.
For TMJ. Like you went to dentist
Yes.
Yeah.
and you're still experiencing pain. Yeah. Is it painful what I'm doing? You feel the tightness?
A little bit.
This is loose, nice and loose. This is tight. You feel that tightness? Okay. Alright. Make sure that's not aggravating your symptoms. It's okay. So you have headache today.
Yeah.
And it's in the temporal area here. So we're gonna work on that. Where's the worst point?
Here.
Here. Let me know if that's painful, okay? Relax, relax. Is that painful? It's okay. How does it feel now? Can you tell the difference? What else? Still tight in here. Is it painful? Tuck your chin. Tuck. Chin down. We're going to work on breaking the scar tissue, make sure you're not feeling any pain. Is it painful? You feel those bumps here?
Yeah.
All of that scar tissue. So I'm not really surprised because you had that accident, you had that area. So all of the scar tissue. You feel that? Okay. Make sure it's not painful, okay? You clench or grind your teeth at night?
Yes.
Brian, at night.
Yeah, that's why she's wearing the night guard. Make sure she wears it at night.
Yeah,
okay?
she does. She does it every day.
Yeah, that's good. This is just gonna work on your jaw a little bit. It's gonna feel cold. Is that painful? It's okay. Okay. Sit up and tell me how you feel.
I feel
Good. Let's sit up. Turn around. Roll away. Okay. Open your jaw and tell me how you feel. How's that?
I feel better.
Only the clicking, but you open wider. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me work on your neck. It's very tight. How do you feel that? Sorry. You feel this one here?
Yeah.
Look up nice and tight. know if you feel painful. That's okay. Painful? It's okay. How does feel here?
Good.
Feel relief?
Yeah.
That's good. You're gonna do the same thing on this side. Feel this here? Let me see your range of motion for your arms. This arm. Wow. How much pain from 0 to 10?
Like 6, 7.
Okay, let's do the front. Oh, like this. Can you do that?
No. I can.
So relax this. How much pain from 0 to 10?
5, 6.
And the side.
No.
Thumb up when you do that. Turn thumb up. And you said you had this pain after someone worked on it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You had normal range of motion for someone work on it, and they were very aggressive.
Yeah.
The mobilization. Couple of issues here. Working on it. Okay. Let me know that's painful. Okay. Is it painful? Sure, it's not painful. Okay. Let's try your arm again. Look at that.
Oh my goodness. Right.
All right, let's do the side. Look at this.
Oh yeah.
We're trying to talk. We just worked on 2 spots that cause the tightness in the shoulder. Let me do another spot and see if we can get you more range of motion, okay? All right, let's try it again. Front. Almost there. That's beautiful. Let's do the side. Look at that. 4 range of motion. Look at this.
That's pretty good.
Let's do the front and tell me where do you feel the tightness? You feel it right here. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do that. Come for your jaw, yeah? Let's see, after working on this, look up nice and tall. Is it painful? It's okay.
No.
Okay. Let's try it again. That's beautiful. Let's do the side. Awesome. That's good. Open your jaw and tell me how you feel. How's that?
Very good.
Do you feel that's your normal range of motion?
No.
Where do you feel the tightness now when you open your jaw?
Here.
You feel it in that side? You feel it right in here. Open. Let me know if it's too much, okay? Let's open again.
Better.
Yeah. Let's move your neck range of motion. How's that? Where did you feel the tightness? In the back?
Yeah.
Here. Let me see this. Okay. Here. This is here. Okay. Don't let me move you, okay?
Okay.
All right. Look up nice and tall. All right. Let's move your neck. Now. Back and forward. How's that?
Better.
Turn left and right. Move your shoulder. Beautiful. That's nice. Let's take your range of motion for your jaw. So it was 30. Look up nice and tall. Yeah, it's 34, almost 35. Tell me what do you think about after treatment?
Oh my God. I can't believe this. Really.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Do you feel any pain or the pain is gone?
No pain at
So
all.
the 7 out of 10, no headache.
Oh my God, I can stand the pain.
The headache is gone, the jaw pain is gone, the shoulder pain is gone. Awesome, thank you so much.
Thank you.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.